Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a dollar arbitrage, and I'll be showing you a live proof, and I'll be trading live so that you can be able to see how it's being done. And in this particular video I'm going to be buying dollar at a cheaper rate, and I will be selling it at a higher rate too. So we are going to be using a platform called Paybis, and there are a lot of guys that are working on this particular platform, and I will not be mentioning the name of the app here in this particular video, but I'll be sharing it, or I'll be mentioning the app, or I'll tell you guys the name of the app in my Telegram channel. I don't want to mention the app, and at the end of the day banks will start blocking it and start restricting people from making use of this particular card. So all you just need to do is to join my new Telegram channel or community, where I'll be telling you the name of the card and how it's being used and all of that. So depending on the amount you want to buy, or you want to buy this particular, that depends on the kind of profit you will make when it comes to crypto arbitrage. And so on Paybis, it will be interesting to know that Paybis is a wonderful platform, and there are a lot of Nigerians, and they allow a lot of Nigerians, and they love Nigerians too. Also been giving a lot of advice on how Nigerians can be able to use the platform and make a lot of profit for themselves, and how it can benefit us and benefit them too. So it's a win-win thing. They benefit and we also benefit from the platform. To be dropping every detail about the card that I will be using on the Telegram channel. All you just need to do is to join my new Telegram channel by using the link in the description and all of that. So before I continue, I want to make a shout out to Jeff TV official. I want to make a shout out to Nedoshan. I want to make a shout out to Kabri Hasiru. I want to make a shout out to T Money OK and Sunday Nick. I appreciate you all. And I promise to keep dropping informative content for you guys and many of that. Please, if you are new to my channel, please, I do a random shout out to all my subscribers, and if you want me to give you a shout out, all you just need to do is to give this video a like and go to the comment section, comment Paybis, so that we'll create an algorithm and make this video to go a long way and all of that. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, so that you'll be able to get informative contents, not just on crypto but on other aspects when it comes to making money. What I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks and strategy. Once they work for me, I'll share it on the platform so that other people can also benefit from it. Without wasting much time, let me go to my Paybis account. So guys, I'm in my browser right now. I just clicked on paybis.com. Then the first thing I have to do is to log in. Ensure that you have signed up. All you just need to do is to follow the description, the link in my description, in order for you to sign in on Paybis. Once you have done that, you can get started. So I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do and the card that works best for this particular transaction on Paybis. So follow through as I'm going to show you. So I'll log in right now. I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, follow the description in my link. You use the link there, and then you will get started. Now, the first thing I have to do is to confirm that my account is verified. So I'll click on this verification, and then as you can see guys, my account is fully verified, so I can go ahead and buy on Paybis. So I'll go to the exchanger. So I'll leave it on this particular area here. So what I'll do right now is to buy, I want to buy BNB. I'll buy BNB2, BP2, that's what I'll buy. Then I'll click on the amount. The amount I want to buy is 27,000 naira. Yes, 27,000 naira, that's the amount of BNB I want to buy, and I will get started. So once I do that, the next thing I have to do, as you can see in my description here, they will charge me for 24,000 naira for this transaction. The fee is attached to everything, which will amount to 27,000 naira. So the next thing I have to do is to click on buy. Once I click on buy, it will now ask me to put in my external address. So the next thing I have to do is to go to my Binance, click my BP2 wallet address. So once you have your
Binance, you see this first one. I'll click on it. The next thing I have to do is to click OK. As you can see, it has both the wallet address and the memo. Ensure that you put in these two things, the wallet address and the memo. Ensure that you put them. Once you put the wallet address and the memo, you can get started. So I'll copy it and then go to my address, paste it. I'll paste it. Then I'll also paste the memo. Ensure that you do that. Ensure that the one you selected is the correct one. So I'll select the memo. Sorry for that. Sorry. I'll select them at once. So let me select the memo and then paste it. So I'll select the memo, then I'll go back and then I'll paste the memo and then I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue, I'll verify. As you can see, my card is already saved on this particular platform in which I've done my transaction before. So all I have to do is to put in my card and then my CVV and then I'll click on continue. Once I do that, it will automatically appear to you put in your code and all of that. And as you can see, I'm putting everything, you see it. Okay, and it's loading up, it's loading up, it's loading up. It will redirect me and send an OTP to me. It will redirect me and send an OTP. This is, sorry, my network. Okay, and it's asking me now which wallet or which token do I want to use, soft token or hard token. I'll click on the soft token and I'll click on continue. Then I will now wait patiently. I'll wait patiently, let it load, let it load. Now they will send me an OTP right now. I'm waiting for an OTP to be sent to me in order for me to get started. So I have to put in the OTP that will be sent to me. So I'm waiting for the OTP. Okay. Okay. The OTP is okay. The token has come, so I have to paste it and then I'll submit. Okay. So the token is incorrect. So let me reset the OTP. Let it come again. Okay. Okay, it's loading up, it's loading up, it's loading up. Guys, as you can see, it was successful and 27,000 naira was successful, and I'll have to check on my Binance account now. So guys, as you can see on my Binance account, it has been deposited successfully. So the next thing I have to do right now, is to transfer it from my Binance wallet to my funding wallet. So I'll go to transfer. All I have to do is to transfer the coin from my Binance, from my spot to my funding. So I'll click on BNB, then I'll click on maximum. As you can see, this is the coin we just buy. I'll transfer it. Then I will now move over to my P2P. I'll go over to my P2P wallet. So I'll go over to my P2P wallet. As you can see, the coin is here. Then I will now have to sell it. Let me just go immediately. I'm going to sell. So I'm going to sell this particular coin, BNB. I'm going to sell BNB, the BNB right now. So as you can see, the coin that we bought was coin of about 0.11. Let me go back again so that to confirm. We bought a BNB of 0.1189. So 0.118964. So I'll go to sell. I want to sell it right now. So I'm looking for a merchant who has this particular amount. So I will just pick an individual. Okay, let me pick this Mushekon. Let me pick this individual. Okay, I'll pick this individual right now. I'll pick this individual right here. I will now put in the amount of BNB I have. Then I'll select my payment method. Okay, this is my payment method. As you can see, I will be paid 34,446 naira. I'll initiate this transaction. I will click on continue. I'll click on continue right now. Then I will allow the individual to make payment. Then I will continue. So I'm waiting for the individual to make payment to me in order for me to get started. So guys, I have received a payment to my account and I have to click on confirm receipt. Then Binance as usual will ask you to receive payment. Make sure that you have received that I have received payment. Okay, I'll still click on it and then I'll click on confirm. So guys, this is it. This is to show you that I've received the payment and the token has been sent to the individual and he has received his coin and I've received my own one. As you can see on the screen, I've received a total of 34,446 naira and all of that. This will show you that the card that I'm using is working. So come to my Telegram channel or go to my Telegram channel, you'll see it is pinned there and you can get started with it. So let's do some calculation right now. So if we calculate the cost price, which is 27,000 naira, and we now sell to Binance 34,446 naira 35 kobo, we will see that we are on profit here. We will see that we are on profit, and we are on profit of 7,446 naira 35 kobo. So this is a nice arbitrage that we just did right now. So if you imagine that you do this every day, you will see that you'll be making a lot of money for yourself. So this is it, guys. This video was helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, my new Telegram channel, so that we can discuss together and join other people who have joined to discuss, and we'll see how we can be able to help ourselves in growing in this online business when it comes to crypto arbitrage and other stuff like that. So see you on my next video, where I'll be sharing with you other crypto arbitrage which you can be able to use in making profit, and other aspects which you can use in making money for yourself. See you on my next video. Peace.